Good morning everyone, my name is Puja Priya. I'm from Bihar and currently living in New Delhi. I have completed my Bachelor's of Technology degree from Darbhanga College of Engineering, Darbhanga, with total aggregate of 8.10 in computer science. Due to recession, unfortunately, I didn't get any job. And after the completion of my bachelor's, I am in my home and I get a call from Sania ma'am. She is from Evision. Evision is a IT recruitment company, and she told me to join a demo session. And I make a trial and join the demo. Before the call of Sania ma'am, I don't know the Evision. I do the demo session, and here I saw the well-mannered syllabus of 45 days, and the syllabus are very well designed. They covering all the concepts of networking, ITIL, and Windows administration too. So the trainers are very well educated, and the each of concept has its own personal trainer. Like networking mm, has another trainer, and for Windows administration another trainer. So the all trainers are very confident in their chapters. So they teach very well, and also they do practices, and they also they also give you chance to do practical in classes. They told you to share your screen in within class, and do practical in front of them. So I do all the practices here, and the all practices which I have done in Evision is equal to the IT job experience. So I learned all the concepts very well, and after 2 months I got a call from MICROLAND, and I am very excited for the interview. I joined virtually in MICROLAND interview, and they take a interview of half hour, and it is very hard for me, but I do all the questions very well, and this is only possible because of Evision, because they teach me very well, and Evision also make you confident, like you are actually working in IT job. So I crack this round, technical round, and I got an offer letter from MICROLAND, and they offered me 3 LPA, and I am very excited after getting this job in IT. So Evision provide you you job whether you are from any stream, like you are from BSc, BCom, BA. They provide you courses, and they have a guaranteed job opportunity for you. So why are you waiting? Make your career in IT professionals, and get a multinational job offers. They teach very well all the concepts, and all the PDF. They provide you PDF and lectures very well, and the classes are from Monday to Saturday of 2 hours, and there are shift. They have given a flexible shift for you, like you can do classes in morning or evening too, and anyone can join Evision. So Evision is a very good for anyone who is graduated and didn't have any job. So join Evision. I saw there are many students from NITs, uh, from NITs, from good colleges, and they are in Evision. They are getting trained there and got a good job. So don't waste your time and join Evision. Uh, as I assured that it is a good asset for you, and don't waste your time. That's